Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook name. To change your Facebook name, click on the profile icon on the top right corner of your page or on any page that you are, and then click on settings and privacy. Click on settings and this will take you to your settings page. So keep in mind that Facebook constantly changes the settings, so the interface you might have may be different from what I'm showing. Initially you can change that from your personal information, which has been removed from this section. Now you need to click on personal details, which is going to take you to your Meta account. Click on the profile you want to switch to in your Meta account, and then you'll be able to see name, username, profile picture, avatar, and many more. On your Meta account center, click on name, and then you'll be able to change your name. But keep in mind that if you change your name, you can't change it again for 60 days. So don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, character, or random words. Once you have filled the information, click on review changes, and then you'll be able to change your Facebook name. This also includes changing of name of Instagram professional accounts. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to change your Facebook name. If you find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have its post notification bell turned on. And do not forget to like and share this video. I hope to see you guys in my next video.